In this video, we'll guide you through a simple and effective method to change the background of your videos using CapCut, one of the most popular video editing apps out there. Whether you're a content creator, vlogger, or just looking to enhance your video quality, this tutorial will help you achieve professional-looking results. I have a video here that I downloaded from Pexels.com, and we're going to change its background. Let's exit the Photos app and start a new project in CapCut. The first step is to add the new video background that you want to replace your original background with. I have a video right here that I'd like to use. After adding the new background video, we'll bring in the original video featuring the person or object you want to keep. To do this, tap on the Overlay button and then select Add Overlay. This will open your photo gallery, where you can choose the original video. Once the original video is added as an overlay, zoom in slightly so it fits the frame perfectly. Now, let's remove the background from the original video. Make sure the video is selected, then find the Remove Background button at the bottom. Now you have 3 options. The first option is Auto Removal. Select this option if you want the app to remove the background automatically. The second option is Custom Removal. Select this option if you want to remove the background manually. The last option is Chroma Key. This option is for special color remove. This time I chose Auto Removal and wait a few seconds for CapCut to work its magic. The original background will be removed, leaving you with the new one in place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.